Hey, hey, hey.
What up, girl?
Okay, so I just got one of my Young Living shipments, and everything in here is something that I ordered using my reward points and account credits. So Young Living just rolled out their holiday gift guide, and it's something that they do every year for Christmas, Thanksgiving, I don't know. Anyways, so I ordered some goodies. This is one of the items that I've been wanting for a long time. They had it at their last holiday catalog, and it is a stainless steel spray bottle. So the stainless, why I wanted it was because you can use all the oils in it and not have to worry about it leaching the bad stuff out of plastic.
The citrus eats the plastic, right?
Yes. Well, it doesn't. Well, it does eat it, but it also like pulls the toxic stuff out of the plastic. So with that bottle also came a bottle of Christmas Spirit that is the essence of Christmas in a bottle.
German paganism.
Right,
I mean, whatever.
Yeah. And then I also got, they have a lip gloss set that, or not lip gloss, lip balm.
You know how I feel about chapstick.
Set. I know. And it's cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Okay.
And vanilla mint.
Ooh. Okay.
And grapefruit.
Cool. My mom would like that one.
And then lavender.
Ah.
And
cool.
so these were just some goodies that I wanted to get. I'm planning on using these for little gifts come Christmas time. Probably keep one for myself and give the rest away. But this is just an example of, if you are on my team, why you should be on Essential Rewards is because you get this, you get free stuff.
This didn't cost you $1.
It didn't cost me anything.
I mean, me $1.
Right. And it would have been $50. So that's $50 I didn't have to spend.
Awesome.
So if you're on my team, go and take a look at their holiday gift guide. If you're not on my team and this is something that you might be interested in, you can email us at
November Tango X-Ray Mike Alpha Golf at Gmail. NTXMag at Gmail.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Shalom.
Shalom. Good job, babe.